This is Tech Updates for you this week. Please relax and listen. You might need one of these. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, please encourage me by liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Let's dive into it straight up. Apple finally unveils its new AI-powered Siri. After years of being mocked for lagging behind ChatGPT and Gemini, Apple has finally revealed a completely rebuilt Siri at WWDC 2026. What's new? Siri can understand context across apps. It can see what's on your screen. It can help draft messages, organize tasks, and interact more naturally. Apple is heavily emphasizing privacy by processing much of the AI workload on device or through its private cloud systems. Why do people care? For years, Apple users watched Android and ChatGPT users get smarter AI tools first. Now, Apple is trying to prove it can compete in the AI race. So, Apple isn't just upgrading Siri. It's trying to reinvent the iPhone experience around AI. OpenAI has filed for an IPO. OpenAI has confidentially filed paperwork to go public. It is one of the most valuable AI companies in the world. Going public could raise enormous amounts of money. Investors are watching closely because this could become one of the biggest tech IPOs ever. Why people will care? The company behind ChatGPT is no longer acting like a startup. It's becoming a tech giant. Now, the question is, if OpenAI becomes a public company, will it focus more on innovation or profits? Microsoft is quietly reducing its dependence on OpenAI. Microsoft recently introduced several new in-house AI models. Why does this matter? Microsoft invested billions in OpenAI. Now it's building more of its own AI technology. This suggests big tech companies don't want to depend on a single AI provider. The bigger story is this. The AI alliance between Microsoft and OpenAI may be entering a new phase where they're partners and competitors. I believe you understand that. AI coding tools are becoming powerful enough to change software development. The competition between OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and Microsoft is getting intense. The fact that AI can now write code, fix bugs, generate applications, and explain complex systems makes the industry a tough and highly competitive one. Every tech company now racing on its toes. Developers everywhere are asking, will junior programming jobs look completely different in 5 years? Many startups are already building products with surprisingly small teams because AI handles much of the coding workload. Apple will let users choose their AI assistant. One of the most surprising announcements from Apple is that users may be able to choose which AI powers certain features. Potential options include ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Instead of forcing one AI on everyone, Apple appears to be creating an AI marketplace. Why this matters? Imagine choosing your AI assistant the same way you choose your browser. Researchers are warning about new AI security threats. Several new AI-related security issues have emerged recently. Examples include malicious prompts hidden in websites, AI systems being manipulated through notifications, AI-assisted phishing attacks. Why this matters? As AI becomes more powerful, hackers are learning how to exploit it too. The AI boom isn't just creating opportunities, it is creating new risks. The race to replace smartphones has started. Tech companies increasingly believe that smart glasses, wearable AI, voice assistants could eventually become the next major computing platform. Companies pushing this vision include Meta, Apple, Google. The big question is, will people still carry phones 10 years from now? If you're observant and seeing how things are going, You will know the answer to that. Let's move on. NVIDIA just got another huge vote of confidence. Apple is reportedly using NVIDIA technology for parts of its AI infrastructure. Why does this matter? NVIDIA remains the backbone of the AI industry. Nearly every major AI company relies on its chips. Demand for AI computing power keeps growing. Some analysts now compare NVIDIA's role in AI to what oil companies were during the industrial age. Anthropic is getting a massive $35 billion AI expansion. Anthropic, maker of Claude AI, just secured backing from major investment firms to build enormous new AI infrastructure. The shocking number? The project involves enough computing power to rival the electricity needs of hundreds of thousands of homes. Why this matters? The AI race is no longer just about software. It's becoming a war over data centers, electricity, chips, and computing power.